Today I am reviewing GoPro LIT Hero. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GoPro LIT Hero is designed for people who want an action camera without dealing with a steep learning curve. Looking at its features, it feels like GoPro intentionally focused on making this model approachable for beginners while still including the features that matter most. If you've never owned an action camera before, the simplified controls are probably one of its biggest selling points. Instead of digging through endless menus, you're mainly tapping and swiping between video, photo, and slow-motion modes, which should make the camera much less intimidating for first-time users. One feature that immediately stands out is the built-in light. That's something you don't normally expect on an entry-level action camera, and it actually adds more value than it might seem at first. Whether you're recording indoors, walking through a dim hallway, camping after sunset, or simply trying to brighten up a close-up shot, having a light built directly into the camera means one less accessory to carry. The 3 brightness settings also give you some flexibility depending on how much light you actually need. It's even useful as a small flashlight since it works when the camera is powered off or plugged in for charging. Video quality is another area where this camera looks impressive for its category. Recording in 4K at up to 60 frames per second provides plenty of detail for travel videos, family adventures, hiking trips, cycling, or vacation footage. The higher frame rate also makes movement appear smoother, and it gives you the option to slow footage down without making everything look choppy. That extra flexibility during editing is something many people appreciate once they begin creating content for YouTube or social media. The 12-megapixel photo capability is perfectly suitable for casual photography. While it won't replace a dedicated mirrorless camera or DSLR, it should be more than capable of capturing sharp vacation photos, outdoor adventures, and snapshots during activities where carrying a larger camera simply isn't practical. The ability to pull still images from recorded videos using the GoPro Quick app is another convenient feature because sometimes the perfect moment happens during video recording rather than while taking individual photos. One of the biggest reasons people choose GoPro products is durability, and this camera continues that tradition. Being waterproof down to 16 feet without requiring an additional housing makes it much easier to use around swimming pools, beaches, kayaking trips, rainy hikes, or unexpected weather. For casual snorkeling and water activities near the surface, that level of water resistance should be enough for many users. If you're planning deeper dives, though, you'll likely need additional protective accessories depending on your specific use. The compact size also works in its favor. Small action cameras are easy to slip into a pocket or backpack without adding much weight. That's important because the best camera is often the one you actually have with you. Larger cameras with interchangeable lenses may deliver higher image quality, but many people leave them at home because of the size and weight. A lightweight camera like this encourages spontaneous recording throughout the day. HyperSmooth stabilization continues to be one of GoPro's strongest technologies. If you've ever watched shaky footage from someone running, riding a bike, or walking on uneven trails, you know how distracting camera shake can become. Stabilization helps smooth out those movements and creates footage that feels much more enjoyable to watch. While electronic stabilization isn't magic and can't eliminate every bump, it usually makes handheld footage look significantly more polished. The touchscreen should also make daily operation fairly straightforward. Touch controls have become second nature for most people, so navigating settings, reviewing footage, and switching modes should feel familiar without requiring much of a learning period. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few things worth considering before buying. Since this is positioned as an entry-level GoPro, experienced users looking for advanced manual controls or professional filmmaking features may find it somewhat limited. People who shoot commercial projects or require extensive customization might be better served by one of GoPro's higher-end models. Battery life is another area where expectations should remain realistic. Recording 4K video, using image stabilization, and especially running the built-in light all require power. Like most compact action cameras, carrying an extra battery or planning your recording sessions carefully will probably be a smart idea if you're filming for extended periods. The built-in light is certainly useful, but buyers shouldn't expect it to replace professional video lighting. It's best suited for close subjects, small indoor spaces, or providing a little extra illumination when conditions get darker. For larger scenes or nighttime filmmaking, dedicated lighting equipment will still produce much better results. The included accessories provide a nice starting point. Having the curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, thumb screw, USB-C cable, and light diffuser means new users can begin recording fairly quickly without immediately shopping for additional essentials. As your needs grow, GoPro's wide range of compatible mounts makes it easy to expand into helmet mounts, chest mounts, bike mounts, and tripods. I think this camera makes the most sense for beginners, travelers, families, outdoor enthusiasts, cyclists, hikers, campers, and content creators who want an easy way to capture adventures without carrying bulky equipment. It's also appealing for someone buying their very first action camera because it focuses on simplicity instead of overwhelming users with professional settings. On the other hand, if you're an experienced filmmaker who depends on advanced recording formats, extensive manual controls, interchangeable lenses, or specialized production features, this probably isn't the model you'll want. It's built around convenience and accessibility rather than professional production workflows. Looking at everything included, the GoPro LIT Hero feels like a practical balance between ease of use and useful features. The combination of 4K 60 recording, HyperSmooth stabilization, waterproof construction, compact design, touchscreen controls, and especially the built-in light gives it a personality that's a little different from many entry-level action cameras. As long as your expectations match what it's designed to do, it appears to be a solid choice for capturing everyday adventures, vacations, outdoor activities, and social media content without unnecessary complexity or a difficult learning curve.